When trench drain is installed at the bottom of doorways or stairways leading from basements to the exterior, these drains catch water and are typically connected to interior perimeter drainage, leading to a sump system. They work well to let water down, but also have the unintended consequence of letting air up. TrenchLock is the perfect solution to basement environments that have drainage systems for water problems as well as radon mitigation systems. TrenchLock is an insert that can be installed in an existing trench drain that lets water down but will not allow air to come up. The design of the ball and cup assembly creates an airtight seal. Water drops into the trench drain grate and into the nearest cup. The ball, which is just the right weight and size, floats up, allowing the water to run down. Then the ball reseats in the specifically designed cups. TrenchLock also allows dirt to flow down with the water and will not clog with dirt from the floor. TrenchLock is 2 inches tall, 2 5/8 inches wide, and 24 inches long.